2024 was Goodwin-Cole's 137th year in business. To be at the top of the game for that long requires the ability to evolve, and we currently offer a variety of the best shade and weather products in the industry. With experts at all levels, we can take the process from a concept to a reality in minimal time, ensuring that you or your business will be equipped with products that not only provide protection and enhanced visual beauty, but increase the everyday life experience. Because no two projects are ever the same, our experts are ready to measure things to a fraction of an inch and install products that are guaranteed for 10 years minimum. Our products also lessen energy costs for a home or business and involve the highest quality materials sourced from countries around the world and fabricated in our one-of-a-kind warehouse in Sacramento. If you are looking for any type of shade or weather solution, the smartest move is to begin with the best, most experienced, and most proven company in the industry. Visit us at Goodwin-Cole.com or call us at 916-381-8888.